Hello. In this video I will show you how to install the PureVPN software on Windows 10. Open the browser and search for PureVPN download. Go to the PureVPN website and click the download button and wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, click on the file and the installer will begin. Click I agree and next to begin the installation. Wait for the installer to finish. Now the PureVPN software is installed. In the next video I will show you how to use the PureVPN software. Thanks for watching.